Another molding minute from Ash Industries.
This is a silicone part. The customer's happy with how it performs. It's chemical resistant and it's great in many environments, but it feels cheap and flimsy to hold. We've got the same part in a tungsten infused polymer. It still bends, has the same resistance, but now it feels like a premium product. This material is a metal polymer hybrid. We are bending the laws of physics. Right here, you've got all the density of a metal product in a polymer. We can injection mold this, and it requires no secondary operations. That gives you the molecular weight of a machined metal part with an injection molded price. We can do tungsten infused nylon. We can do tungsten infused high density polyethylene. We could even do tungsten infused elastomers. Whatever your application, we can improve it. When you want something different, go metal infused.